Greetings at WPCode Studio. This is me, Rabiul Islam Rocky. Came back with another new tutorial about the most powerful decision-making tool in JavaScript, if-else statement. So before starting explanation, how about if you are subscribed to our channel and if you are new here? Otherwise, no worries, but your support is my motivation that push me to make more videos, whatever. So we should get started now. First of all, imagine this: if it's raining, then we will take an umbrella, otherwise we'll wear sunglasses. So this is the if-else logic in real life. And still, if you did not understand the logic, then let me clear it, no worries. So first of all, we should understand the structure about if-else statement. So for that, we need to take a variable. This variable name I'm giving here conditions for better understand, and the conditions value we will take as a boolean. So you all may know that true or false is a boolean data type. So the variable name conditions is equal to true. So for the time, let it go and try to understand the main concept. This is called if-else statement. So here we'll write down here if, then first bracket, and within this first bracket we will place the condition. So before that, we need to take here a curly brace, and within this curly brace we will execute the code like message whatever we want. So before that, just copy these conditions, I mean this variable name, and paste it within this first bracket, and then we can say anything within this code curly braces. So for example, write it down here, this part only execute with the condition is true. So before doing anything, we should take a look our browser, this code is working or not. So for that, I'm already opening my code on this browser, and the code is running on my computer browser. So still we can't see anything because we don't have say anything for this browser that will be executed here in this browser. So for that, we need to give a message like and within this we'll say yes, the condition is true. Okay, now the message already executed in this browser. That's nicely working. So what would be if the condition is false? So let's check it, and again go back to our browser, but unfortunately we can't see anything because this message only will be executed if the condition is true. Otherwise, what will be? So for that we need to say other message. For that we have a else part, and within this else part, let me clear it. This else part execute only if the condition is false. That means this else part will be executed only if the condition is false. Otherwise, this will not executed. So here also we should give a message like yes, the condition is, where we will give false. And now if we reload this browser, then we can see the message yes, the condition is false, because we have already assigned here value false. So again we replace this false to true, and this message will be executed. So well, this is working nicely. So here is the basic structure, and now we'll make it in real life example. So for better understand, let me clear this code, and then we'll take another variable. That variable name I'm giving here is raining, and that is raining equal to true. Again we take in here boolean value, and then if first bracket, and within this first bracket just copy this variable name is raining and paste it here, and then curly braces. So our basic structure is prepared. So within this curly brace, I mean first statement, we will give a message like document dot write take okay, and let's take a look at it on our browser. Yes, the message is execute on our browser. Take an umbrella because raining outdoor. So how about if the condition is false? So for that we'll take again else part, and within this else we'll give another message. The message will be like so let's make the condition is false. So this is how it's simple, right? Actually the JavaScript check the condition is if it's true it returns the first part, otherwise it returns the else part. So in this time let's say you are checking is to see if someone can vote or not. So for that again remove this and let me show you the variable name I'm giving here is equal to 18, and then if just copy this variable name and paste it here. So what we are going to do here, and if I simply put, then if the age greater than or equal to 18 then he can vote, okay, otherwise he can't vote. So the message we should give here like yes he can vote, otherwise he can't. Let's take a look. Yes, he can vote. So what would be if the age is less than 18? So make it 15 and take a look. Yes, he can't vote. That means he is not too older. So I hope you understand that if the age is greater than or equal to 18 then only he can vote, otherwise he can't. But still it did not finish, cause what if there are more than two options, like you have taken an exam in a subject whose maximum score is 100. Now you want to find out the grade according to the score. For example, there will be 5 option where like in the first option we will check if the score is between 80 to 100 then the grade will be A plus, and second option if the score is between 70 to 80 then the grade will be A grade, and third option if the score is between 60 to 70 then the grade will be A minus, and in the fifth option if the score is between 40 to 50 then the grade will be B grade. And they have one more option like if they score 33 to 40 then the grade will be C. And if none of this is the case then we will consider it is as a failed result. I don't know how much you understand, but I want to explain you here that there are more than 2 options. So how do we manage it? So you don't need to worry. For that we have a else if, so that's why else if comes in here. So just remove this code and then change the variable name is to score, and the score variable I'm giving here for example 95, and then if the score. So our condition is if the score is greater than or equal to 80, then the result, the grade will be A plus. So let's take a look on our browser. Is it work? Yes, nicely it's working. And then in this second option, we'll take here else if, since we are going to do work with multiple options and multiple statements. So for that, else if comes in here. So else if, and here within this first bracket we'll take another condition like the score. If the score is greater than or equal to 70, then we will give the grade like A. Okay, let's make it 75 and check this. Well, it's working. And again, another part, another statement like this will be else if the score is greater than 60, greater than or equal to 60, then the result, the grade will be A minus, for example. And let's make it 60 and take a look. Well, it's A minus already comes in. And again, else if we'll take another statement, this will be if the score is greater than or equal to 50, then the result, when the grade will give here B, for example. So let's change the score like 50, or we can say here 45. Even after this will be removed. Sorry, it should be 55. So what if the score is not matched with our any statement? So at a time we should take we should give another result like you are failed. So we'll consider it as a failed if the score is not matched with any statement. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 statements. So if the score is not matched with this 4 statement, then we will give another matches. For that, we'll take here else part, and within this else we will give a result like it's failed. Okay, so let's make it less than 50, then we can see this message will be executed. So this is how I was trying to make you understand the logic about if-else statement. Even after, if you have any confusion, you may tell me that below comment section, and I wish that try to make your own decision based program. I hope you'll get better every time. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to WPCode Studio. So I'll be back soon with more beginner friendly tutorials just like this. Until then, keep coding, keep dreaming. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.